By far and away, the most difficult thing any brand can do online is trying to get new customers. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 ways that you can generate more leads for your brand. Let's jump into it. So first, let's clarify the difference between lead generation and new customer acquisition. So really the whole goal here with our lead generation campaigns is we want to provide some type of value to a potential customer in exchange for some type of contact information. And the whole goal here is really we want to try to warm up an audience to our brand so that they're more likely to convert down the road. So first is a no or low cost option for any potential customer. And this can be whether you're selling a product, again, it can be a no or low cost option, a somewhat of a free trial. And then the other opportunity is something like a freemium model for something like software. So they get access to something for a short period of time. And then if they want more features or longer term access, they have to pay for it. And the whole idea here is, regardless of what you're selling, is you want to give them a little bit of a taste of exactly what it would be like if they actually did buy your full priced option. So for example, if you're selling something like protein bars, this can be a sample pack, right? A low cost option. So you're bringing them in saying, hey, for $5, we'll ship you 5 protein bars, try them, see if you like them. And in exchange, all you have to do is provide us with your contact information and obviously the $5. Now, what you can do here is by doing this, you can actually put these consumers in a very specific customer journey so that you can follow up with them 5, 10, 15, 20 times, and the chances of them converting is much higher. Now, if you compare this to a brand just trying to go after a customer with their full priced option, let's say 12 bars for $36, not only is your customer acquisition cost going to be much higher, but the amount of people that are going to be willing to try a product for the first time and spend $36 plus shipping just to try it is very, very, very small. So the whole idea here is to get a low cost option to get the consumers to come in and then send them down a very specific journey. So the next best way to increase lead generation is by creating some product that either is an online tool or a free and downloadable item in which it focuses in an area in which your consumers are going to be active in. So if we were to use the example of protein bars, let's say they're selling a vegan, low calorie, high protein bar. Well, now you have 3 different sets in which you can create, let's say, a downloadable PDF on how to lose 30 pounds in 90 days, how to introduce more vegan meals into your diet, or how to gain 10 pounds of muscle in the next 90 days. So you have these 3 different areas in which you can create content, a downloadable PDF, to help people along this journey in exchange for, let's say, their email or their phone number for SMS marketing. The whole idea here is when you run these campaigns for lead generation, now you're turning a large audience set into a smaller group in which you know that they already have interest in a product like yours because they want to download an item such as these PDFs. So the last way in which I recommend you create some lead generation is through working with complementary brands through a giveaway. And although this is pretty popular, I actually don't see brands implement this in a way in which they can actually increase the amount of customers that they get. So a lot of brands will work with another brand, a complementary brand on social media, and the only objective is really to increase their follower count. And hopefully you should know, increasing your follower count doesn't really play a significant role in increasing your sales. Organic social media doesn't really help you to generate more sales. So what I recommend is you find a brand that really has an audience, a customer group that really aligns well with your brand, and then work with them, do a giveaway. But instead of just trying to increase your follower count, send them to a very specific landing page in which they have to exchange some of their information to actually be entered in to win. So again, if we were to use the example as vegan protein bars, maybe you work with a vegan protein powder company and you guys both post on your respective Instagram accounts, but instead of signing up by just following each other's accounts and tagging other friends, send them to a landing page. Increase maybe the quality of the giveaway. Make it 100 days of vegan protein bars and vegan powders. Whatever you need to do to increase and get them to actually fill out this form. But the idea here is once you collect all this information, again, send them down a very specific journey in which you increase the likelihood that they'll actually convert on your products. And that's it. Those are the 3 ways that I recommend you use lead generation to increase your new customer acquisition. And in my experience, by utilizing this lead generation, you're going to reduce your customer acquisition costs so significantly that this is going to be one of the most profitable ways for you to get new customers. So utilize these 3 ways to increase your lead generation, to help you to increase your new customer acquisition, to help grow your business overall. I'll see you in a week.